Maldito. Masal dito si Matillo.
Meow, meow, meow. Kana si Ditching kay tanawa di mo sige ra nagngisi.
Saan na?
Oh, mali na siya sila.
Saan?
Kanaw ka naman sa tungan na tungan na Maria.
Kaya kilig Didion.
Bilang ka rin si Ditching.
Right, straight focus, like self-decline, waste management, and price increase.
Hindi ko siya malingi.
So now, let's follow the planning process. So first, we need a clear objective and goals. So our objective is smooth execution.
One month later, the team meets again to assess progress.
Pinanawa ni Ditching. Oh, naman.
So congratulations everyone. So our plan worked. So our sales increased 3% already. But let's check what else we can improve to our business.
Customers love the promo, but some people discount over free items.
Yes, I think 10% of those orders will come back.
That's a great idea. Let's adjust our strategy to what customers prefer.
Mary Jane, who's her team, right?
So this proves that planning is not
Wala,
one
ulitin
time
practice.
thing. It's
Ulitin
continuous,
practice.
flexible.
Konting daw!
Ay, tara, go.
Hello guys! Nakatais sa tanan. Pakyo! Manindot kayo.
Gano'n ang tuntong. Ano? Guniti ang kuan, ang kanang mga kuan. Mo na siya pilapil, ma'am. Pilapil? Yes. Pag mga 30 seconds na mag-stop na, sige go. Sige pa. Ini para na po tayo video nga pabalik. O, pabalik na po.
Madiri aman! Ang pabidyo si Kuan, Martin. Dito ba ito kumasunod ba?
ganito ka magrampa.